Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Lenovo laptop to the Bluetooth speakers. So first of all, make sure to turn on your Bluetooth speakers, and once they're turned on, after that just go to the Bluetooth of your laptop and make sure to turn it on. And once it is turned on, so just go inside the more Bluetooth settings, and once you click here, just click on add new device. You can do this from this button as well, otherwise just click on add device, and from here just choose the Bluetooth. And once you choose the Bluetooth, make sure that both the devices have turned on their Bluetooth, like your laptop and the Bluetooth speakers. You will see the device there, and once you see the device, after that you will be able to add it, and your device will be connected to the laptop. Once it is connected, after that just click on this volume button. Make sure to right click on it, and you will see this sound settings option. Just click on sound settings, and once you click on sound settings, so basically you will see all the options like your input, your output. Input is basically your mic, output is basically your speaker. So just click on this one and make sure that your output speaker is set to the like Bluetooth speaker, which is the correct one, and you want the output from. Make sure to choose it from set it to that one. And you can change the input as well depending on your microphone, external speaker. Like as you can see, two devices are connected right now, so I can set it to any of the anyone if I want to. Make sure to turn up the volume as well. If it is like turned very low, make sure to fix that as well. Once you fix that, after that you will be able to use your Bluetooth speakers with the Lenovo laptop. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.